Are you going for the Swiffer? Sebastian? Hey, Sebby, come here. Come here, Sebby. Come here. Wait, can you come to Mommy? Come to Mommy. Come to Mommy. You give up? You don't give up. Good job. Ooh. Hey. Hi, Sebastian. Hi. Good boy, Sebby. Mommy's so proud of you. Good job. Oh. Now you're going to take the camera. Ah, good job. Mommy's so proud of you. Good job. Can I see you crawl again? Can I see you creep? Sebastian, can you come here? Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, Sebastian. Sebastian, come here. Sebastian, come here, buddy. Sebastian, come here. Come here, baby. Sebastian. Sebastian, come here. Sebastian, come here, baby. You're not going to come here? I'll come closer. How about that? Do you see Tezuka over there? Come here, buddy. Oh, you're so excited. Sebby, come here, buddy. Let's see here. How can I entice you to come over? How about an iPhone? Good job. What are you going to do? Oh! Can you draw a little bit further? The miracle of the iPhone. Oh, where did it go? Oh, where did it go? Oh, success. Yeah, that's you on the phone. Yeah, it's your picture.
Good job, buddy. You can move really well.
Yeah, you're going to be on your knees in no time. Say mama. Can you say mama? Okay, that's close enough. Good job, Sebby. I know, that phone's pretty exciting. That's how I felt when I first got it, too. Alright. Do you see something you'd rather have? The camera? You're going to carry the iPhone while you try to get to the camera?
Yes.
Oh, okay, back to the iPhone. Okay.